Skip predictable stanzas. Write your own love story in molten metal. This February, Four Corners Welding and Gas Supply is heating things up with BOGOs so hot they'll melt your welding helmet. You know what they say, couples who weld together stay together. Sharing a passion like welding builds memories and strengthens bonds that last longer than any box of chocolates. So hurry and take advantage of this amazing offer. Shop our BOGO deals now and save big on welding apparel. Don't miss out on the chance to ignite your passion and forge something special. Don't forget, the savings at Four Corners Welding and Gas Supply aren't just about cheap deals. They're about sharing experiences, building skills, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Imagine welding a fire pit for cozy evenings with friends, repairing a beloved bike for weekend adventures, or crafting personalized metal art that expresses your unique soul. And remember, the more people who know about this deal, the more memories you can create together. So share this video with your friends and spread the love of welding. Make this February one for the books. Visit Four Corners Welding and Gas Supply today and spark your next great project.